oceans are being polluted, and whales and other animals are dying because people are too lazy to put their rubbish in the bin. Hi, I'm Zoe, and I'm trying out to be an ambassador of Spirit of the Gold Coast. Littering is happening all over the world and is killing animals like whales. There's several ways you can help. Here's a couple ways you can help. Number 1, pick up rubbish if you see it. It doesn't have to be yours, but it will help save the whales. Number 2, don't use plastic in the first place. Instead of using a plastic bottle or a plastic container, just use reusable containers or a hydro flask. Be a Visco girl! Some people have gone above and beyond to stop ocean pollution. This is a boy named Ryan Slatt. He created a contraption with tube barriers and a net that caught all the plastic but allowed the animals to swim underneath. Things like these can turn this into this. I would like to say a special thanks to the producer, my brother, Tom.
Hello, I am the producer. Save the whales.
The producer has put together a quick play for your entertainment. Visco girl going to McDonald's.
Hi, what would you like today?
Oh, can I please have a Fanta? And that's a no on plastic straws, please. Thanks for watching. Bye, Spirit of the Gold Coast.